Hello, in this video, we will create our first React application with and without TypeScript using Create React App. The following are the sections for this video. First, we will check and update our Node version. Second, we will check and update our NPM or Node Package Manager version. Then we will be creating our React application. Lastly, we'll create our React application with TypeScript. Hi, my name is Eugene, and my mission is to spread lifelong learning. I've been into programming for more than 10 years, but now more than ever, there are more things to learn. Our focus right now is to create ReactJS application, and later we'll be integrating it to .NET API. If you want to follow along with my learning experience, please consider subscribing. Also, don't forget to comment to share your thoughts. So we're here at the reactjs.org, and it says the best way to start building a single page application is using the Create React app. In order to build the Create React app, we must have a Node version of greater than 10.16 and also NPM version 5.6 or higher. So to check your Node version, you can go to terminal in your Visual Studio Code or in your command prompt. Key in node-v. Node-version also works. So my current version is 14.16.1. So the minimum version for Create React App is 10.6. So we can use this version or we can also update. So here in nodejs.org, you can use this LTS version to get the latest long-term support version of the node. So let's see the setup. Click next, accept, install, maybe select all, install. So this should be straightforward. I'll proceed to skip this part. So after the part we skip, I just click finish to complete the installation. Now let's check our node version. You can try this also, node dash version. So now it's 14.17. Okay, now let's check our npm version, npm-v. So now it's 7.10. We are required to have 5.6 at least. So to install the latest npm version, we type in npm install npm at latest-g for global. See what happens. If it takes too long, maybe I'll just skip this part. Okay, that took 19 seconds. Then let's try npm-v again. So now it's 7.15, the latest version. So to create your React application, you can use npx create react app. And then the name of the application, please remember that this should be in the lowercase. So React UI. Okay. So previously we were using npm install, then we will install this create react app, but now we can simply use npx and this will install the latest version. So we'll skip ahead. So after installation, you should see the folder React UI and you should see the React items. So this one is JS. Now let's try to create a TypeScript. So to create a TypeScript React application, you simply type npx create React app, then the name, so React UI dash TypeScript, and then dash dash template TypeScript. Okay, let's see if it starts working, and then I will skip ahead. So the folder has been created, then I'll skip once this is done. So once the React TypeScript is created, you should see this folder, and then you should try to open. So the files here are TypeScript, TSX, and let's compare it with React UI, which is JSX. So let's open both. Let's see if we can give enough space so we can compare. So basically they will look the same, but later on in the implementation, the TypeScript will be more strict. Oh, this imports an extra. Maybe just the versioning is not the latest in the installer. So anyway, TypeScript provides more type safety, so you declare the type and it can give you IntelliSense and other details, so that when you are coding or when you're writing your code, you can see the errors. While in the JavaScript version, the JS version, you can see the error mostly on runtime. Okay, so that's the main difference. So now to test run the application, let's just go to the folders cd react UI and then npm start. Okay, I'll skip ahead so we can see the result. Okay, so here React is running. So that will be the same for the TypeScript. First Control C to stop twice, and then cd dot dot, then cd react UI TypeScript, and then npm start. Okay, let's skip ahead again. So we see the same result. So React is running with the sample input they provided in the app.js. So just to give you a background on how this works. So first, when you run the code, it goes to this index.html. So everything goes inside here. So that's why it's called a single page application. And then it will call in the root div, which will be this one. In the source index.js, there will be a root here. And then lastly, it will call the app.js. So this is the one we see. So anything we need to add, we put here. We replace this one with our JS. Okay, that's all. So to summarize, to check the version of Node, you use node-v or node-version. The installer for this Node.js is in nodejs.org. For NPM Node Package Manager, to check the version, npm-v or npm-version, and to install the latest version, npm install npm at latest-g. Lastly, to create your React application with JavaScript, npx create React app application name, and with TypeScript, npx create React app application name and dash dash template TypeScript. That's all for this video. Please hit like and subscribe to help me reach out to more people. Comment below for questions and topic you would like to be discussed. Thank you and good day.